Meet my big green tractor, an S240, and we're going to take its deck off and then put it back on. Hi, I'm Aaron and welcome to my garage. So I'm going to be removing a 42-inch S240 mower deck. Now before you start, get yourself something to put all the pieces in. I have a magnetic tray which works great, but get yourself something. You don't want to lose these pieces. First, drop your deck all the way to the floor. And let's begin just below the deck height adjustment lever. So let's get our hands in there, remove the clip, the washer. So put those two pieces to the side, and then let's go back and grab the hook. Now to take the hook off, you have to turn it. The way that assembly works is it goes and slides in, and you twist it, and it locks in, twist it down, unlocked, twist up, locked, unlocked. So onward to the next clip, towards the middle of the deck. Now there's going to be an indicator at the top to show you where I am on the mower, just in case you get lost. Grab that clip, grab that washer, kind of, and then remove the bar and knock it down so you can take the mower deck off. So let's keep moving towards the front of the mower. So now there's the clip that attaches towards the front. You're going to remove that. It's a little bit of a trick when you're not trying to trip over the camera. So you grab that, get the washer, and then boop. Now I always remove this piece because if you try to drive your mower, you're going to catch it on something and it's just not worth it. So it's easy to take out, so just do that. So now we're moving and we're going to go to the other side of the tractor at the rear. So you guessed it, we're going to remove that. So grab the clip and the washer and then struggle to try to get the hook off. There you go. Now we're moving over to the middle and we're going to get that clip, get that washer, and then drop the bar down. Now I'm going back to the first side of the mower, and we're in the middle again on the first side that we started, and we need to remove the tension from the belt so that we can unloop it from the drive assembly. So you want to grab this spring and then just pull it to try to get it off. Sometimes it takes a couple times because it's really, really tight. And there, it's off. Now we've almost got it all unhooked. So let's go to the front of the mower. We're still on the same side. And we need to get the belt off of that pulley. And it's not that hard to do. You already released the tension when you took that tensioning spring off. So you just got to take it out of the belt guide and then drop it down off the pulley. And then we're going to go to the other side. And now that we're on the other side, we just have to get it off of that belt guide. And let me just give you a sound effect to make this fun. Whoosh. There you go, it's off. So now we're just going to slide the deck out. Now if you're finding this video helpful, give me a like down below. And oh, it looks like I forgot a hook. Spoiler, I find it. Just check everything after you remove the deck to make sure you don't lose anything either. And let's get started with putting it back together. So let's slide the deck back under, and uh-oh, I forgot to check something. Anyway, let's get it lined up. Then I bring the arm up, and then put the washer on, and clip it. Now we're going to put the hook on, so you just slide it in and then twist it up. And then you want to have it facing to the back of the mower. All right, I got it on. Everything's good. Put the washer on, clip it. All done. So now we're going to head over to the front of the mower. And we're going to put that arm that attaches to the front of the mower back in. Now once it's in, we'll throw a washer on it and clip that as well. And while we're here, let's loop the belt around the pulley. So I loop it around. And don't forget to put it in the belt guides. And then you stay here. I'm going to go to the other side and just put it over that other guide. And I took an extra second just because it came off the pulley in the back, so I had to re-loop that. To avoid that hassle, just make sure your belt is on the pulleys before you put your deck under. So now that the belt's back on, why don't you come over to the other side of the tractor. So lift the arm. Put that in place. And then we'll throw a washer on it. And clip it. So sorry about the light, but we just put, you've seen this before, so we just put this piece in, this hook, face it to the back, slip it on, washer, and clip it. So let's go back to the other side of the tractor and put the tensioner spring back. So if it comes out of the pulley side, this is the end that you want to put back into that. And here's what it'll look like when it's attached. So just hook it to that pulley arm, and then you got to pull it forward over this yellow tab. You can either muscle it in, or if that's really too much, then you can also use a screwdriver. Sometimes that helps because it hurts your fingers when you just try to muscle it in. So now step back and admire a job well done. So be sure to check out my other videos, and happy motoring.